Picture a tiny nation that sits atop a mountain, but carries a lineage rich in history. Welcome to San Marino, Europe's hidden treasure. Today, we're exploring a unique microstate, San Marino. Located on Mount Titano, this small country boasts breathtaking views and a vibrant cultural tapestry. Did you realize San Marino is the world's oldest enduring sovereign state? Founded in 301 AD by stonemason Marinus, it's remained independent for more than 1700 years. Absolutely. These remarkable towers atop Mount Titano symbolize San Marino's strength and independence, not just their beauty. Strolling through San Marino's quaint streets transports you into another era. Narrow pathways, delightful shops, and stunning piazzas are steeped in centuries of history. And let's not overlook the stunning vistas. As one of Europe's highest capitals, San Marino showcases breathtaking views of the Italian landscape. It's postcard perfect. San Marino's cultural essence is as remarkable as its landscape. From age-old archery contests to lively festivities honoring its patron saint, this nation celebrates traditions heartily. Here's a fun fact. San Marino is among the few countries globally without any national debt. This small republic has effectively remained debt-free while honoring its rich legacy. If you love food, San Marino won't let you down. Its cuisine fuses Italian traditions with distinctive local tastes. Don't miss the piadina, a flatbread filled with cheese and prosciutto, and the sweet torta tremonti, inspired by its three iconic towers. It's history and culture served on a plate. So why visit San Marino? It's a European jewel, often skipped by visitors. With its rich history, breathtaking scenery, and charming vibe, it offers an extraordinary experience. Plus, it's just a brief drive from Italy's Adriatic coast, perfect for a memorable day trip. Whether you're passionate about history, culture, or scenic views, San Marino truly has it all. San Marino, a small nation with a colossal spirit. Its mountains, towers, and timeless allure demonstrate that little places can have profound impacts. Thanks for joining our aerial tour of San Marino. Remember to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more travel adventures. See you on our next journey.